Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record a specific window in OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. Before we begin, there's an important step you need to take first. Make sure to open the application or window you want to record before setting things up in OBS. This allows OBS to properly recognize and detect the window you're planning to capture, which is essential for the process to work smoothly. Now go ahead and open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Sources panel, which is the key area for adding different capture types to your recording setup. In the Sources section, you'll notice a small plus icon. Click on this plus icon to reveal a menu of available capture sources. From the list that appears, select Window Capture. This option is specifically designed to record individual application windows rather than your entire screen, giving you more focused and professional-looking recordings. After selecting Window Capture, a dialog box will pop up asking you to name your source. You can either rename it to something specific that helps you identify it later, or you can simply leave it as the default name and click OK. This name is just for your organization within OBS, so choose whatever makes sense for your workflow. Next, you'll see a window drop-down menu appear in the Properties dialog. Click on this drop-down menu to view all the currently open applications and windows on your computer. From this list, select the specific application window you want to record. OBS will now capture only that particular window, which is perfect for creating tutorials, gameplay recordings, or focus demonstrations without showing your entire desktop. Once you've selected your preferred window, click OK to confirm your choice and apply the settings. The window you selected will now appear in your OBS preview area, ready to be recorded. If the captured window doesn't quite fit your recording canvas the way you'd like, you can easily resize it. Simply click on the window in the preview area and drag the corners to adjust its size. This gives you complete control over how the window appears in your final recording, allowing you to create exactly the composition you need. And that's it. You've now set up OBS to record a specific window, giving you clean, focused recordings of just the application you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.